highlight of the 2026 budgets. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, and good people of Borno State, the main objective of the 2026 budget is to improve on the general security of the entire state by complementing the efforts of the federal government of Nigeria and the armed forces through the provision of security infrastructure, equipment, strengthening the capacities of our garrison CGTN, hunters, vigilantes, and forest guards, and indeed strengthening the resilience of our community. There is no alternative to security. Once there is no peace, there will be no security. And once there is no security, there will be no development. And therefore, this administration will invest heavily on security in the year 2026. We shall spend our last kobo so that our people will close their eyes and sleep. In view of the foregoing, government intends to procure additional 200 operational vehicles, Hinos and Land Cruisers, in the year 2026. Yes. Procurement of additional 20 MRAPs. So far, so good. We procured 10 MRAPs each at a cost of about 700 million naira. And the smaller one cost about 300 million naira, 20 of them. And we have paid all. We shall procure 2,000 security motorcycles in 2026. Government promised to disburse 20 billion as loans, conditional and unconditional grants to the deserving people in the 2026. And inshallah, I promise to provide details of our disbursement to this honorable house next year. We shall establish deliberate attempt to create more millionaires in Borno State. This will boost our local economy. Go to states like Kano. Many young children are going to China to procure items and then bring to Nigeria. We shall support few ones of them, many of them, with loans and conditional grants. With our airport, International Airport Commission, Maiduguri is the most closest state in Nigeria to Middle East. Increase investment in agriculture and livestock sector by expanding access to people to cultivate their farmlands. This year and the last year, I'm pleased to inform this gathering that Borno State government, Borno State people have witnessed bumper harvest. We shall create more access for people to cultivate their farmlands.
If you look at the achievement and the milestone achieved by His Excellency across all regions in Borno State, you will agree with me that even though we are in opposition, we must acknowledge that the man have tremendously achieved development for the entire Borno State. For instance, let me give you one example. The construction of General Hospital in my local government in Askira Uba, Howell Federal Constituency, in Howell specifically, and in Askira Uba, is not meant for the people of APC. It's meant for the entire citizen of Borno State. And if you look at it also, you find out that in terms of education, in terms of agriculture, and in terms of empowerment, all these areas are being attended to by His Excellency.